Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's Friday, time for another Love Bite. And Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin your reading, Leo. The King of Wands wanted to pop out. That's your card, right? The Leo card. So let's begin and see what's going on here. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo, the cards I see on the table right now is the Magician in reverse, Five of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Fool, Two of Wands, the Star, Queen of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and the Moon. All right, a lot of silence here, a lot of secrets being kept, and the Four of Wands in reverse. All right, Leo, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So center of my spread, Leo, I have the Two of Wands in reverse. No longer at crossroads, made up their mind. Somebody's made up their mind. They feel, somebody feels that either they were being played or there was a trickster in their midst or their partner was a trickster, and they no longer want to live in regret and sorrow for the rest of their life. They've been deeply unhappy and they feel somebody made a fool of them. They feel a bit disappointed, I would say. Let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here. Get the ball rolling, then I'll clarify all these cards, Leo, and see what's going on here. Leo and their person, spirit. Oops, all right. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. Let's take a few from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Leo. All right. Okay, good to go. Let's start your reading, Leo. The first card I have here for you. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you're still the one. Somebody does see their partner as the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is that perfect spouse, the person who is nurturing, loving, kind, is financially well off, can look after themselves. I mean, nobody compares to, having a spouse who's the Queen of Pentacles or a partner. I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try to warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out there to manipulate you and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. Shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. No matter how complicated it gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's happened to me. Do you think about me? There's a huge void in my life since you've been gone. It hurts me to say that we should go our separate ways. Somebody's made a decision here. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. All right, Leo, if this is kind of resonating with your story, let's get on with the reading. And I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. My angels, you found it. Somebody has found whatever they were looking for. I don't know whether they were looking for to make a decision or looking for their perfect partner, but somebody has found what they were looking for here. Okay, so let's put this card here and start clarifying these cards. Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse and the Five of Cups. Oh, somebody has been wishing and praying and they're feeling their manifestations are just not happening. They're unable to manifest their dreams. They have been wishing and hoping and praying for something, maybe to come, not be in regret or come out of some sadness from their past. They haven't been happy maybe for a long time here. This person wants to be seen as very successful, as a provider, as a person who they basically want to transform their life in some way where their past hurts. Yes. Or maybe transform things with another person who they find to be the Nine of Pentacles, the single, abundant, beautiful person, and they want to show up. Maybe in the past, maybe they were behaving like a trickster, even though they knew that this was their wish fulfillment. Somebody tried to play tricks here, Leo, but now they want to not be in that state anymore. They don't want to have a wasted chance, basically. They want to come out of this feeling that, oh my God, I'm going to regret that I never played straight maybe. Now they want to come across and portray themselves as this very dynamic and a person who's responsible and not a trickster to this Nine of Pentacles person. Basically transform this connection or transform maybe their image that they feel has been tarnished because of their past behavior. Nine of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Cups in reverse. Yes, whoever this masculine is, they're not happy at all because this relationship has become a bit stagnant here. One more. Maybe because this Nine of Pentacles person thinks that they are a trickster. Yes, they know that they are the cause. This masculine knows that they are the cause of this tower falling. Maybe they were being very defensive at one point, maybe trying to play the trickster, let's say, and things kind of slowed down, and now they're not happy. They're not happy at all. They feel they made some very foolish mistake here. Somebody feels they made a very foolish mistake here. Now they know that it's time to make a decision one way or the other, or they've made a decision because they feel now they're kind of losing hope. They're feeling their wishes are not going to come true. The Fool, Spirit. Yes, maybe they portrayed themselves to be a very, very immature maybe in the past. Maybe they came across as a player or a very in and out kind of a person. So they feel, oh my God, I did something really foolish here by, portraying maybe myself as somebody that I don't want to see my partner to see me as. Two of Wands. Yes, now they want to have a brand new beginning. Let's begin again. I'll show you what I'm made of, and let's transform this connection. Star in reverse. Yes, they've realized that their wishes haven't come true because they created some kind of an imbalance here. Now this person is getting very impatient, wants to come towards their partner with a romantic offer and do things the right way this time probably. They see their person as the Queen of Pentacles. They see this person to be, this is the kind of person you would want in your life for a long time. This is the perfect partner to have. This hoping maybe to transform this Nine of Pentacles, the single abundant person, into a long-term partner now. So what's this Nine of Pentacles? Queen of Pentacles, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Oh, I think they've kind of figured out that this is my soulmate. This is the person I should be with. This is maybe vibe. This feels like a past life connection. And I do care for this person, but I've kind of ruined my image here in the past. I made some foolish mistakes, and now they've made a decision. Let's start again. Let come and correct this time. This is the person I want. This is the person I want to have my Two of Cups with. So the High Priestess spirit, High Priestess, High Priestess. I have a feeling this Queen of Pentacles has gone silent on this King of Wands now. King of Wands is out again, Leo, which I said was your card, right? So even though this person is coming incorrect, they are being looked at as somebody dynamic. This feminine, I think, has her sword up a little bit now, not really trusting or maybe wanting answers now for the way they've behaved in the past. Maybe there's a bit of silence between the two of you. This Queen of Pentacles, this Queen of Swords has now her sword up to say, I need to know all your secrets before I can even trust you again. So the Moon card, Spirit, Moon card. Moon card. Somebody is a little emotionally overwhelmed here, Leo. They kind of feeling that it may be too much of a burden now to try for a reconciliation. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles is now not opening up. Maybe they feel this Queen of Pentacles now is keeping secrets. It's really, really becoming a burden to this masculine now as to how to get back on the same page, how to have a reconciliation. A heart of hearts, they kind of feel they've already been dropped here. They feel they've already been dropped and this Queen is no longer interested. Am I right, Spirit? Anything else for Leo? One more. Yeah, somebody wants to fight for one more chance. They want to communicate and they want to bring in clarity or seek clarity. So Leo, expect some kind of communication coming in soon. At least that's what they want to. Somebody is very, very burdened by the fact that they'll have to do this, because without having communication and being very, very clear in their intentions, they're worried they may not ever get to this place of a reconciliation. So yes, somebody is kind of worried that they've lost their chance now of having this Four of Wands. They do want to come in to repair maybe a broken heart here, because they secretly or in their mind feel somebody's already dropped them now, because they were maybe coming across as a little, this relationship was being treated as a bit imbalanced at one point. So yes, that's what's going on here, Leo. Somebody's got their sword up and not trusting this masculine, and this masculine is now wanting to change the way this Queen is going to see them now, but they are fearing that it may be too late, or maybe they've already been cancelled out. All right, so that's what I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.